What's good? What's going on? The Resilient Banker here. How's everybody doing? How's your Tuesday? Happy Tuesday to everybody out there in the world. Let's get it. So, I just wanted to tap in with y'all. Everybody's going crazy over Bitcoin. Everybody's going crazy over the cryptocurrencies. This is just the end of the year push, right? This is just the end of the year push to the next high, right? But that does not mean that there's not going to be any bleeding happening, right? Because where there's a push up, there has to be a retracement. And when it retraces from where there are gaps. There's retracements. You have to take our courses in our actual mentorship, right? In order to actually understand what I'm talking about. When you're trading on Bitcoin, people don't get into Bitcoin just because of the hype, right? Do not get into anything just because of the hype. It's at a high. It's at a really really high right now. So you don't want to just get in. You want to actually understand retracements and understand the charts a little bit better. You don't want to just it's called fear, right? You don't want to be the fear of missing out, right? Fear mongering. You don't have that fear of missing out on something, right? So you don't want to just rush into things. Make sure y'all comment below where you're tuning in from as well. Make sure you comment below where you're tuning in from. But yeah, we talk about cryptocurrencies. We talk about different type of currencies, right? A lot of currencies are going up right now. The U.S. dollar, usually that happens when the U.S. dollar, is weak, right? Usually when the U.S. dollar is weak, it means people are not investing into the U.S. dollar. The value of the U.S. dollar are super low, right? It's at its all-time low. So when the U.S. dollar is weak, anything with USD at the end of it, whether it be Doge versus USD, whether it be Bitcoin versus USD, whether it be Nano versus USD, you definitely want to tap in with anything that has USD at the end, right? Gold even has USD at the end. Invest into gold. I've been telling everybody to invest into gold, right? Physical gold, that is. I'm not talking about trading gold. I'm talking about physically getting silver and gold. But yeah, make sure you comment below where you're tuning in from, man. Where y'all tuning in from? I like to see where my voice is actually reaching. But yeah, we talk about Bitcoin. We're talking about cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies going crazy. I'm gonna drop a link below once this live finishes. Once this live finishes, I'm gonna drop a link below where you can get involved into Bitcoin, or you can get involved into just trading, period, right? But you really want to get involved into the mentorship, right? Once you get involved into the mentorship, you actually will be able to actually learn how to get in investments just from looking at the chart, right? That's one thing they don't teach you in school is these charts can make you money, right? This is how these charts can print you money, right? Cryptocurrencies right now is printing money, right? But you have to get in at the right entry. You have to get in not just when everybody else is getting in, but get in at the right time and at the right moment. And that could just be waiting a couple hours to get in, right? Because that next hour, it could skyrocket again. So these are the things and the fundamentals that you want to learn, when tapped in with the Resilient Banker. Make sure y'all go follow the Resilient Banker on Instagram, and let's get it popping, right? 2025, the year of prosperity, right? 2025, the year of prosperity. Closing on deals at the end of the year. What we have going on is not just making money on Bitcoin. We are closing on real estate properties right now, right? And if you want to learn how to actually, close on real estate properties, right, without having just minimum experience, right? If you want to just have somewhere to put your money to invest into, make sure you actually inbox us, man. Make sure you actually comment below that you want to get into the real estate side of things. We buy the land, right? Once we buy the land, we actually build on the land, right, and show you how to actually generate that income from the land, right, just off the land that you bought, showing you how to build everything from the ground up, right. You want to make sure that you got your full financial review put in, right, your full financial review, meaning you want your financial advisor to look all the way through your financials, right. You want your financial advisor to look to see if everything is set up properly, as it be your 401ks, as it be your retirement plans, as it be your life insurance policies, because everybody's talking about life insurance right now as well. And I want you to give y'all a keynote. Anybody can set up a life insurance policy, but you want to make sure that your life insurance policies are set up properly, right? Anybody can go out there and get a bank account, but is your money going inside an account that's going to actually grow your income and make you passive income, right? And that's the main thing. The main thing of 2025 is you need to find other sources of income, and just not just in the crypto realm, right? Crypto's making money right now, but this is just the end of the year push, right? It's going to be times where you want to figure out how to actually get into crypto when it's selling, and you want to know how to get into crypto when it's buying, right? A lot of people are just getting into crypto as a base investment, right? A one-time investment, saying they're going to put $1,000 in and they want to watch it grow, right? So you're buying for a long-term hold, right? But what you really want to do is not just hold for long term. You want to learn how to actually get in any type of instrument just by looking at a chart, just by looking to see if what actually is this chart doing? What is it saying to me, right? Just like I say, make sure you comment below where you're tuning in from as well. Make sure you comment below where you're tuning in from. But yeah, so the resilient banker, we talking cryptocurrencies, we talking altcoins. These are the things that are shooting skyrocketing right now, but you want to look and see what they're going to be doing for the rest of the year, right? Because you don't want to rush into an investment at the end of the year right now, and then at the beginning of the actual year on January that your investment starts to decrease and decrease because you don't know what you're doing. You don't know how to get in or get out of the trades, or just how to leverage and maximize your sources, right? Get your financial review. Go to j.glover dot yeah, j.glover dot yellowbrick.financial.com, right? I'll drop that below, man. I drop that below. I'm just super excited about what this year is bringing, right? We're closing out the fourth quarter, real strong. Closing out the fourth quarter already with, multiple properties being closed on, right? Just off of showing you how to transfer some of that money out of your savings account and put it inside of another account so you can eventually invest into your own properties, right? So you can eventually invest into your own real estate without having to actually have a agent or anything like that. We show you how to do it on the platform. We show you how to actually make passive income, right? And then we show you a plan on how to move that passive income into another account that's going to generate them more money on top of their money, right? More money on top of their money, meaning compound interest. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, and you definitely want to tap in. But definitely share this information with somebody, because this information could get that person to the next level. Remember, I'm going to drop a link below, right? And I want you to click the link below and start your free broker account, right? The free broker account, so you can actually upload your money and actually show you, and it'll show you how to actually enter a trade on how to actually, buy cryptocurrencies and sell cryptocurrencies, right? This is what that broker is going to do. This is what that broker is going to do. You're just going to upload money and invest into a cryptocurrency. But I do not advise anybody to get involved into cryptocurrencies without having mentorship, right? So that's why you want to go to TradeJunkiesinvestmentgroup.org. Go to TradeJunkiesinvestmentgroup.org, right? And then once you go to TradeJunkiesinvestmentgroup.org, man, get involved in our mentorship, right? We have mentorship packages from, Hidden Wealth Society, right? Hidden Wealth Society. We have some mentorship packages from the Resilient Banker, right? So you definitely want to tap in. Peace, peace.